Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and I hope everybody is doing fine, everybody's keeping well, your families are fine, the kids are doing all right. Today's video is going to be very special because I'm going to be sharing that one decision that we took as a couple, as a new parent, that has led us today to our homeschooling journey, home early learning journey, and my hardcore belief on brain teasers and spartan intelligence. And let me just give you a quick sneak peek of what are we going to be talking about today. Guys, so this is just a glimpse of knowledge that you get with Grolier. There are many more books, there are many more manipulatives that you get with this, and it's totally a 5-star for me. So guys, as you just saw the glimpse of the Grolier book set, let me just tell you quickly a little background about how I ended up getting this whole book set for Vivan. These are actually not all the books are actually in the bookshelf up in there. So when we were heading for Vivan's first birthday, I was looking for different venues, and me and my husband stumbled upon their pop-up store in one of the hotels, and I was very intrigued because I had not seen something like that, and I was definitely a new mom with like no experience or background of education. I come from a CBSE board. My mom is a teacher. She's been teaching like before I was born, and she just got retired, so totally a teacher, yes, and from CBSE again. Though she's from a convent school, but nothing like early learning I had noticed or done before. However, when I saw this thing, me and my husband together, I think that was the best decision that we took. We spoke to them together, and once we spoke to them, we wanted to know more, and we requested for a demo. These guys came home and they got the book set to us. They showed everything. They told us how the brain develops at the age of from 1 to 5, the maximum in terms of the way the neuron works. And I think the best factor was that I didn't have to convince my husband for it, because if we would have taken the demo, like if would have been just me taking the demo, then would have been very difficult for me to convince or to even tell him exactly, because definitely I would have lost a lot of important points in translation, and where my husband was right there, so he heard the whole thing. We both were into it together. And then the second point was the pricing. The pricing was a bit high for us because I had just bought a car at that time, and I was like still struggling. I had no salary, so it was just my husband who was it was just his salary at that time. So they had suggested the plan to me according to Vivan's age. However, I told them to add a couple of books for later on, and we took the whole set on EMI. Now, there was a point when a lot of people around me were telling me that I'm crazy for buying such an expensive set, but definitely as a parent, we all buy so many toys, we all buy stuff for us. So it was between me and my husband, we decided what is more important for us, to get these books which are long term, which can be used over and over again by the two of us, or just by him once he starts reading. And the best part is that the talking pens, they really help. The way they have this maths board, I mean, a kid even age 2 would be able to look at the color and look at the number here. So they are so versatile that I instantly knew that I have to take this for Vivan, and if I have to spend 20 minutes, this is the best thing that I have to do. So I had bought it in that mindset that I would be going to work daily, and when I come back, me or my husband will be taking up 20 minutes and will be doing this for him. The third thing was, when we took this on EMI, it really didn't hurt our budget that much, because we were definitely cutting it somewhere else. So when we decided to take this, and it was expensive for us definitely at that time, there is no way as a new parent you decide to buy a book set which is of a certain amount, which is really not the norm in normal families to buy. But because they have so many amazing books, let me show you the one that is my totally favorite.
So my favorite from the Grolier cluster is the Logico Piccolo and Logico Primo. They come with 2 bulletin boards for each bracket, 3 to 6 and 6 to 10. The activities are totally diverse. Each cluster book has minimum 10 to 11 activities. They build a lot of concentration based activities in Spartan Intelligence, and no wonder I give them a 5-star.
So you like Primo and Piccolo, right? I just love them. I think they're so versatile. The next one which I really love and I really highly recommend, because everybody is telling me always about English, and that's what I have for you guys, is
Guys, another gem from Grolier is the Talking English books. There are different books and each book covers a different topic. The best part is the engaging special talking pen, which helps the kids to go through the books by themselves. The books actually focuses on speaking and writing English for kids who are very young. Along with that, they cover phonics, and I really think it's a pretty cool product to have for the kids.
Talking English is actually fun when you have the pen, correct? And phonics was easy because I am not a trained phonics teacher, and there is definitely that's one thing that I didn't want to touch was phonics. But coming back to it, how has it impacted Vivan and us? It has definitely changed our outlook towards early education. It has definitely made Vivan very independent from the beginning, because the books are self-explanatory. So like if you have this board, you have these buttons, they are so engaging and interactive that the kids know. And the best part is that it's self-correcting. So once the child has put the socket into this, and you see orange, you can turn around and put this right in to have the answer. So the answer sheets are right there. You have so many things going on. So even if you don't have time, but if you want to give good education, or for those parents who are saying that we cannot teach but their children are bright, so I would say this is a good investment. I definitely know that it's expensive, but now it's totally up to us, that can we leave our shopping, can we leave gifting people for some time, can we reduce our budget somewhere else so that we can invest this for our kids. Guys, if you have any questions about Grolier, please do let me know. I can give you contact with the person whom I have been in touch with, and I love their team. They are extremely nice. Even if you have slightest doubt, or even if you want to just look at the book set, I would request you to go ahead and take a demo, like just schedule a demo and just have a look and just ask them questions and see what works for you, because they can customize the book sets according to the age for you. And there are so many things new that they have launched for definitely the new kind of learning that we are doing. Along with that, I see that Vivan's I would give 100% credit to Grolier for what Vivan is today, because we have learned everything that goes around in my house because of the topics that are here. So when you say when we have a book like Pyramids Were Built, it actually tells me to read the book and do an activity, and then this book helps me get the facts right. So he is reading by himself, I am using the same thing with him to read. Then the activities, the sheets that we have, I think it has just made him more smart, more independent, and self-correcting. He knows how to self-correct once he's done something wrong, and we still use it. He's 7. We are definitely advancing to a better level, but the activities never, they always surprise you. Every time I open a new book or a new sheet, it's always full of surprises. So I would really recommend you to go ahead and take a demo or see what's in whole, like what suits your kid or your house. End of the day, yes, it's your choice, but I would just say that if you are really looking forward to give a good education, see what's the best step for you and how can you help your child achieve that. And as parents, we all need to make some compromises, and we all do that, right? So I made that compromise 7 years back by cutting on to the gifting that we were doing, by skipping up the meals for a couple of months, and yeah, for not buying clothes, for office clothes. So I was actually going in my maternity wear for good 6 months, and I have no shame for that, because of that, what I did, I saved on a lot of money and I paid for Vivan's books. So that's it, guys. This is all coming right from my heart. I just wanted to share this with you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you need the contact for the Grolier person whom I've been in touch with, you can definitely leave a message and I can share that with you. I have done a detailed review of all the books. I'm going to be linking that here on the cards up. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.